Jimmy was quickly charged with a capital offense that carried the death penalty. Jimmy went on trial on October 22, 1957. Judge L.S. Moore presided. Jimmy was appointed 2 lawyers to represent him: State Representative Judson C. Locke and Attorney Sheldon Fitz. The case was prosecuted by Solicitor Blanchard McLeod. The jury was all white. Mrs. Barker testified, but when she testified, her testimony was less about the $1.95 that was stolen and more about her belief that Jimmy was there to violate her. Attorney Locke filed a motion for a mistrial after Mrs. Barker testified about Jimmy trying to violate her, saying that it was prejudicial to Jimmy and that it inflamed the minds of the jury. But that was all he did. He didn't cross-examine Mrs. Barker or any other witness. He didn't call Jimmy to the stand in his own defense. He did nothing for Jimmy, except show up, sit down, and put his name on the record as Jimmy's attorney. That was it. Jimmy got no defense from his attorneys. The trial didn't last long at all. It started at 9 a.m. and was over by 1:30 p.m. The jury took less than an hour to come back with their verdict. Guilty as charged, for the official charge of robbery, and guilty of the charge that was never filed, touching a white woman. Jimmy was immediately sentenced to death. He was to die by electrocution on January 10, 1958. Jimmy became just the 4th person in Alabama history sentenced to death for robbery. And he also became the 4th black person sentenced to death for robbery.